Hello everyone, welcome to the video series for class 11 computer science, and this video we are going to discuss about break and continue statement. So sometime it happens that we want to exit from our loop or we want to skip some of the statements from the loop. So before terminating the loop, normally we want to exit from the loop or we want to skip some of the statements from the loop, and for those two situations Python provides two jump statements. Those two jump statements are break and continue statements. So let us discuss one by one what is the significance of break statement and what is the significance of continue statement. So here you can see that in break statement, this is the loop, and if break statement executes, we directly come out of the loop. No more execution, no more repetition of loop is going to take place. So we can see that it alters the normal flow of execution as it terminates the current loop and resumes execution of the statement following that loop. So let me show you this by the help of example. Suppose here we are having one for loop, and what it will do, here we are having sequence of string, so sequence of characters. So the I will traverse from P to N, but as soon as the I will be uh, have I will have the value H, we want to come out from the loop. So when we will execute this, we will have the output like this one. You can see at first I was P, so P is printed, then it was Y, then Y is printed, then I becomes T, then T is printed. As soon as the I become H, we just come out of the loop. No more execution takes place, no more repetition takes place. So similarly we are having another jump statement, also continue statement. So here you can see that if continue statement is executed, we don't come out from the loop, but here the it skips the further statement of that iteration, but it allows us to continue to the next iteration. For example, if I will replace this break statement with continue statement, what will happen? Now as soon as the I become H, it is not going to execute that particular iteration, rather it will move to O and N. So in the output we will have PYTON. So you can see here we are having output PYTON. H, the iteration where we are having I value of I as H, that is only skipped. So we can clearly say that break statement let us come out of the loop. It terminates the loop before it terminates normally, but continue statement skip the part of that particular iteration and it continues to the next iteration. So that was all about break and continue statement. Next one is nested loop. So nested loop, we can see that a loop may contain another loop inside it, which is known as nested loop. And in case of Python, there is no restriction that how many loops can be nested inside a loop. So any type of loop may be nested within another loop. This is known as nested loop. And for programming, we will have separate video in which we will have some important program. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you for watching.